Hello guys, today we're going to learn about hashtags in Python. As you can see, I have the print command. Now what hashtags will do is if I put them at the start of a line of code, now it will just disable it. So now this line of code just won't do anything, it's completely disabled. Now this can be used for two reasons. One is that as you can see, if I create a line above, I can write some text like, now normally Python will think this is code and get confused because this isn't any code. But at the start we can just put a hashtag and it will completely solve the problem. And the second is that it can disable some lines of code. So for example, if we just like create a while loop, so while true, and then at the end, and then if we here we can write break, and now it will just print this, so it will create a loop that will run this code forever and then it will break it. So as you can see, it will print it once. But here before break, we can make a hashtag. So now it will disable this line of code that stops it and it should run it forever. So as you can see, it's running it forever. Oh no. Oh no.